Okay, hey YouTube. I'm back with another video. Yeah, I'm back with another video of Roblox. So, I'm sorry it's kind of hard to see, but back with another video. I'm just gonna be playing Flood Escape. Yeah, Flood Escape. I don't have a gravity coil. Oops, not two. Wait, what? Two shot. But yeah, this is just YouTube. Do a Flood Escape. So, if you wanted to know, I play Flood Escape, and you can friend me. My name is DREWBER2. So yeah, okay. But yes, I love Roblox. It's personally my favorite game. You can get it free on computer. Make your own free account. Yeah. It's a good game. But yeah, friend me if you want to. I can't make this video too long, or I'll have to pay for it. No, I don't have to pay for it, but yeah. So I'm doing YouTube. So I'm gonna do one round, and then I am going to play. I'm gonna do one round, and then I'm gonna turn off the video. I'm sorry, but I kind of have to because I can't have it too long. See, you originally look like this if you don't know, like that when you just sign in. See, look it. But oh, oops. So I'm gonna. If you need to open shop and do this every time, extras, dash, confirm. Oh yeah. Okay. So I've got dash. Okay, and this is the first round, and this is the last round too, because I'm sorry, I've only got 9 wins, and yeah. When I die, I'm gonna, stop the video. Yes. Woo, people. Sometimes people don't move and they kind of kill you, like this person right here. But I'm sorry about that. If you watch my video, person that is doing that, I'm sorry. But yeah, I am doing YouTube, so see, that's what it's like. It's just parkour, and then you get in here, and then you get wins, and you can buy things with wins, and it doesn't take away your wins. So and then see, then you just go on to the next one. It doesn't always come out like that. It's normally just it opens and you do something else. But oh my gosh, I'm going really good. If that guy does move, she will. I want a gravity coil so bad. All I've got is dash. Although it's a weak gravity coil. Yeah, that's all for the video. Sorry guys, that's all I had time for. Bye. Okay guys, and then this is the last part of it. You gotta just find the code with those buttons. So yeah, that's all. Bye.